Proper laboratory practices limiting stress on the body are often overlooked, but it's very crucial to the longevity of your research career, as you're at risk of long-term physical body health problems. So you must set yourself up properly when at the biosafety cabinet, microscope, sample preparation work area, or anywhere else you'll spend a lot of time sitting or standing. Don't worry, this video highlights 3 tips to save you from the long-term body health problems as a result of laboratory experience. If this is your first time to watch my videos, please remember to like and subscribe to support this content. Avoid the laboratory posture. It's unavoidable. You spend a lot of time sitting while doing laboratory work. When working at the biosafety cabinet, set your chair height so that your armpits are at about the same height as the sash opening, and you can rest your elbow comfortably on the rests inside hood. Make sure your feet are on the floor and your back is supported against the back of the chair. This position reduces strain on your back and the shoulders. While at the microscope, much of the same applies. Stay within arm's reach. Here, you should keep all necessary supplies within close reach. All reagents, disposables, gloves, and other supplies should be placed to where you do not have to bend or twist to reach them. If you are constantly bending or twisting, you're risking injuring yourself in the long run. Keep them close. Always keep your space clear. How you set up your space is important for efficient and healthy laboratory work. You should never store items where your legs are supposed to go under the biosafety cabinet or the working station. By storing things under there, you prevent yourself from being able to sit properly and force yourself to hinge forward and strain your back. This same principle applies to your imaging station.